Hello YouTube, welcome back to my little channel. Unfortunately on my way to work again. I've come out a bit earlier, so I'm gonna go the long way for a change. Why, it's still nice and sunny, as you can see. Lovely day, bit breezy, but not too bad. Been a while since I made a video, really, a proper video. Right, what have we got here? Diversion, road closed. Oh, it's not till September the 24th, 25th. That's cool. Yeah, so I've decided to go the long way round to work. And also this morning, because I'm doing the late shifts, I decided to check my bike over. It's been a while since I checked my tyres. Normally I check them once a month. Might have been a naughty boy. I forgot to check them for the last few months or so. So the good news was, when I checked them, they was fine. Only £2 pressure down, which is not bad. It's a must. Whatever you do with your bikes, always check your tyre pressures. Definitely a must. If your bike's angling a bit weird or a bit strange, that's more likely that's what it will be. What a lovely day. Unfortunately they said it was going to get heavy showers later, but I don't mind getting wet coming back from work. Might get mucky, but hey ho, that can't be helped, can it? And easy cleaned, isn't it? Been a while since I've been down here. The old back lanes. Got to be so careful about sometimes around here. As a car driver, so they seem to take the corners very wide. So far so good. I think I've said it previously, like when I came down here on my Kawasaki ZX9 and my R1. Oh, bloody nightmare. It was that bad I forgot, so I forget. So I will speak properly. It was that bad on my big sports bikes. I stopped coming down on here. But on the little Suzuki, yeah, she coats fine. Coats lovely. Perfect. Damn me, it's been a lovely summer though, hasn't it? In England for a change. It's been really hot and really mild. Makes a really good change, that does. Now this junction's a pain in the butt to get out, because this building here, even worse in a car, terrible. On a bike, at least you can see. At least you can see behind the brick wall, so the good news, I'm still having fun on the little Suzuki. As you can see, the wind's very rusty. I was going to come in the car today, but because I know it's going to rain, heavy rain later, but I'm not bothered. Any opportunity to get the old beast out, my little beastie. And the problem is, I always catch up with cars. No matter what, yeah, bite you up. And you can see that in a foreground. Butlins. It's the swimming pool slide. It starts inside and it comes outside. Well, you can just see it's right in the corner. That ride you can see is Fantasy Island. I don't think this road is long enough. But never mind, normally it takes me about 3 minutes to get to work. Instead, it's taking me 10 minutes. So I do apologise for not been making many videos this lately. I had a bit of a foot problem for some reason, so it stopped me from riding on long journeys. I still go to work on it, right, every day. Still go to work on it. Just on the long journeys, it's can't use the back brake so much. Let's see if we use the back brake that much anyway. There, she's a little beast. Definitely going to go out to the weekend and go for a nice long ride. Hopefully. Because the good news is, I've got today to work and tomorrow. And then I'm off for a week. Yay! Happy days. Got a few plans to do on my bike. Kind of neglected a little bit this lately. If you know me and watch some of my old videos, you know how particular I am with my bikes. Don't get me wrong, it's always clean, it always looks immaculate, but I'm very fussy. Very fussy. I'm going to shut up now and just a little video for you. As I always say, ride safe, keep smiling, bye for now. That's that Butlins swimming pool thing I'm on about. Till next time, bye for now.